Good morning students, and today I will explain you that how to write down HTML program. Now for example, that you want to create a program like this, like the title of the web page is SFS and I study in class 8 is the text in the web page. Then how you have to write down this program. If you want to write this program, then first you have to open Notepad. Then first click on the start button. Then this is the new version, so directly Notepad is displaying over here. Otherwise you have to go like at all programs, then you have to go accessories and then Notepad. Then Notepad window will display on the screen. Now we have to write down coding for that. Again I will show you the program, because here in this web browser, this is the title bar. Here the title is displayed as SFS. So the title of the web page I want as SFS. So in HTML program, the very first command which we write is on tag of HTML. After on tag, we have to give head tag. Then we have to give title, because we want to write title now. It may be written in the same line or it may be there on the separate line. It does not make any difference. The web page title I want SFS. So here I have written SFS. Now this title is completed. So off tag of title. After this, off tag of head. Means now the top portion is completed. Now we have to start the body portion. Okay, let me explain you that this portion is known as head portion, and this whole white area which you are seeing right now is known as body. So now here in this body portion, I just want to write one sentence. As for example, you are creating this program, then I study in class 8. Now whatever the text you want to write in this portion, you may write down that text. So here I have written a single sentence, I study in class 8. Only that much. If you want to write a long paragraph, fine, it's on you. So after this portion is completed, and now off tag of body tag, and now the program is completed. So off tag of HTML. These tags must be given in the same sequence. First HTML, head, title, then whatever the title you want to give, it should be given without quotation mark and without any tag sign. Then off tag of title, off tag of head, on tag of body, then text, off tag of body, and off tag of HTML. After this you have to save this file. For example, I am saving this file by giving the name SFS. So first click at the file menu, select the option save as. After this, where you want to save it, I will suggest you that save it on the desktop, so easily you can get it from there. So select desktop from the left hand side. Then now the file will be saved on the desktop. Then come to this file name option, type the file name. Here I am writing SFS. After writing the file name, extension is must, so give a dot sign and write down HTML. For saving a file as a web page, extension is must, and the extension of the HTML file is .html or .htm. My suggestion is use .html always. So sfs.html. After this, click on the save button. Now our file is saved as a web page. Now I'm minimizing this file, and now you can see a file is created, a web page is created with the name SFS. As we double click on it, then the file will display on the screen SFS, and then I study in class 8. In this way we have to create a web page. Now you have to do one program by yourself. Now here, as title of the web page is SFS, and the web page which you have to create now, the title of that page must be my hobbies. And then in this portion, that is a body portion, you have to write down one paragraph about your hobby. Okay, I am repeating it. You have to create a web page. Title of that web page must be my hobbies, and in body portion you have to write down one paragraph about your hobbies. And then you have to save the file by giving the name hobbies.html. So that is for your homework, your assignment. Please complete it. Thank you.